As already discussed in the previous session, we have some random accessing of file functions called ftl, fseek, and rewind. Now, using those functions, we are going to write a program where we try to find out the total number of characters in the given file, and then we are going to reverse the contents of the file. So we'll see how that program works. Now how that program works is I'm creating a file pointer fp, and I'm trying to open a c program called reverse.c in write mode to, and I'm assigning that file pointer to fp. And this is the code that we have already seen, how to enter text into a text file or whatever it is. Now what happens, I'm trying to get a character from the keyboard, placing it in ch, and I'm putting the taken character into file pointed by fp. And how many times that has to be done? It has to be done until we reach end of the file. So this is the way I would like to get the file. Hi, how are you? Next, since we are at the end of the file here, somewhere at end of eof. Now what am I trying to do? I'm asking the computer to give me ftl of fp. What is ftl of fp? Give me the current location of fp. And now what is the current location of fp? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So it is not only the position of fp, but also the total number of characters in the given file that will be printed as it is stored in n. Next, what is rewind of fp? I'm going to rewind the file. I'm going to rewind the file pointer. Now what happens? This file pointer reaches to the starting of the file. Now as soon as it reaches the starting of the file, nothing but the rewind function gives you 0. So that ftl of fp, if I ask the current position of fp, then after rewinding fp, it will give you always 0. That will be printed, and I'll close the file pointer. Why? Because the file pointer is here, and to reverse the contents, it is very essential. Now we'll see the second part of the program where we are going to reverse the contents using fseek function. Now again, I'm opening the file using reverse.c in which mode? Read mode. Why? Because I'm not writing any contents, I'm just reading each and every character from the back side, and I will try to print. So I have to print it from u. So how do I do it? Now I'm using the function fseek of fp comma minus 1 comma 2. Now let me know what is 2. What is 2? 2 is the end of the file. Now what is minus 1? It is displacement or offset, and it is negative, so it is always backwards. So where should I go is, I have to go to the end of the file. End of the file means eof character, not u. Not u, it is end of the character. Some random character will be there here. So what happens? I have to move one position. Minus 1 position means I'll reach u. Now what happens? I'll try to print each and every character from backside. Now what happens? Reverse content is do ch is equal to fget c of fp. Since fseek function has reached me to u, what happens? That will be stored in ch, and I'll print that character on the monitor. I'll print u. Next, close. While forget about not. Fseek of fp comma minus 1 comma 1. What does that mean? From the current position, go one step backwards. What is that? One step backwards. I went. Now file pointer is locating me here. Since this is not the starting of the file, what happens now? So when a fseek function is successful, it will give you that 0. It will give you 0. What happens? Not 0 is nothing but 1. 1 means, again I'll go back, I'll get the fgetc function means I have space ch, I'll store it in ch, I'll print that ch. So after u, I have space. Again, I'll come here, fseek of fp of minus 1 comma 1. Now from this minus place, I'll go to r. Now after going to r, what happens? I'll store that in ch, I'll print r. Similarly, space will be printed, woh space I A H. Once we reach the starting of the file, there will be nothing, and it will be giving some non-zero values. Any non-zero values at the starting of the value. Now not non-zero value means the value becomes 0. 0 means this loop breaks. I'll come outside and I'll close the file pointer, and every content will be printed in reverse order for us. So this is the file, this is the basic program that will cover all the file random access file functions, and it will give you a concept of how to identify the number of characters in the given file, how to use the rewind function, and how to use the fseek function to go to the desired location.